Hello everyone, Valentin from OXYLIFE here. We're inside a C3 4-seater chamber. So I want to take a moment to explain the split version. When do we need to build up the split version? If you take a closer look at the drawing here, we have the external dimensions of a C3 dismantled. Partially dismantled. We see the size of one module. It's 760 millimeters width, with a diameter 1,965 millimeters. So we got 0.76 meters, 1.96 meters. So we're talking about the size of the ring and the size of the end of the chamber. The end of the chamber, the width is 350 millimeters, with obviously the same diameter. So when this ring, ideally is if we can put all these parts, the end, the first module, the second, and the third, and the end, to get them in the final location, and then assemble them, mount them in the final location. But whenever this is not possible, meaning that I cannot get this, imagine a ring with 760 millimeters width and 1,965 diameter. So whenever this ring cannot get into the final location, then we have to construct the split version. The split version means that we take this ring and it's basically split it in half. So instead of having one full ring, we have two parts of this ring. We have two parts of this, two parts of this. And we can also split the end of the chamber. If for some reason, most of the time the width is the problem of the ring, obviously the diameter too. But so when the end is not possible to go in the chamber as one piece, we split it as well. So instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, we can have, there will be double if the ends are split too. So we have 10 parts, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 parts of the chamber. When is the split version? When we have the split version, it can basically go in any location, anywhere, through any door. What we have to look for, obviously manufacturing process is more costly, the split, even the installation. What we have to look for, it's either the chamber goes as one piece, ideally it's already assembled at the factory, tested, we deliver it as one piece, one single piece, and it's easy to install. Installation will take just a couple of hours. The second would be when it can be installed by parts. The standard parts, as I said, the module, 76 width, 1.96 meters diameter. We combine all these parts together and mount the chamber at the final location. But sometimes this ring, the module, 760 millimeters with 1,965 millimeters, it might not go in the final location. It can go through the doorway, but it can be stuck somewhere when in the hallway, when you want to turn right or left, on a staircase. So the assessment of how these pieces are going to final location is very important. As I said, whenever these pieces cannot go through with the size they have, then we will have to make the split version of the chamber. And then we had installations for the split versions and very narrow doors, basements, very narrow access. So it can be done in any location. Thank you.